Hi friends, it's me Nikki here to take you on my journey of cleaning my home after Christmas. And I shared with you yesterday how I packed away my Christmas things, and so now it's on to cleaning. This is the guest bedroom, so the first thing I like to do is kind of get all the guest linens off the bed to get them cleaned. Also, everyone stays at our house for Christmas, so we have blow-up mattresses everywhere, and so I like to get those taken down and get those linens also clean. And so Mike and I, what we'll do is we'll break all of that stuff down, start getting it packed up so that we can store it away. And one thing about this is it really starts giving us that big impact that we're putting things together, because, you know, getting those mattresses put away, getting the guest bed cleaned, and the linens in the wash is huge for us. Because one, I'm not a fan of doing laundry. You all know that's probably the least thing I love to do. And so I like to just knock that out and get the hard part out of the way. And then it really motivates me to just get the others done. And then Mike will take the vac and he goes through and he gets all the crumbs and things off of the cushions in the media room, because this is where a lot of family hangs out during the holidays. And so we just want to get that back so that we can enjoy it. And so he'll do that while I'm kind of getting the wash in the machine, along with I'll start coming up there helping him get this space together by kind of clearing off the counters and wiping everything down. Because, you know, we have a lot of family, you know, coming through the house and just enjoying, you know, Christmas and being together, and so it just really needs a good wipe down after everyone leaves. And so I'll get that done. And of course I go back to using my Miss Myers. You know, I use the holiday scented during the holidays, which I love, but I'm going back to my favorite. You all know how much I love the basil, and I'm excited about this because you all have been asking me, am I going to have the free offer, because I'm an affiliate with the Grove and a customer, I've been for years, about the free cleaning bucket. And it's back just for 4 days, friends. So if you want the free offer of getting the bucket, the hand soap, the dish soap, and the lotion, I'll put the link below. So now I get back to cleaning that media room and getting it all pristine and ready for Mike and I to relax. So as far as the cushions that are in our media room on a day-to-day basis, I use them during the holidays on my guest beds. I'll put holiday covers on them so that I can use them on the guest beds. And then now I can pull them back out and put them back where they belong in our media room. So it, you know, it serves a purpose during the holidays. It's easy for me to get them out of the space so that I can put my holiday pillows out and they have a place to go. So it works perfectly. Along with, these are the blankets that we use upstairs in our home. Guests kind of lounge and they kind of cuddle up, watch movies and all of that. And so I need to get these washed and then put back in the drawer in the media room. So while Mike is vacuuming upstairs, because we only have carpet upstairs in our home, so he'll vacuum the media space, he'll vacuum my office where a lot of people did sleep, he'll vacuum the guest bedroom, also our bedroom, the hallway, and get that all back. Then what I will do is focus on getting the laundry and getting some dusting and all of that done upstairs. And so just getting things kind of put back in place. And so this is huge to get this done, because we want to get these Christmas towels packed up with the Christmas items. So friends, after packing away Christmas decor from the last video and cleaning today, we called it a wrap for today. Now the next day we had to go back to work. So Mike and I had to go back to work. So I got up early that morning so that I can get a little more cleaning done in the morning. First thing being to get some things put away, like photo albums that we sit out at the holidays, because we love sitting around looking at photo albums. Also, another thing that I did was I made sure to go through my little gifts that I got from folks, and I wanted to see what were keepers, what I needed to pass on to be a blessing to others, and making sure that everything had a place, because that's key for me, is to purge at this time and make sure that I just kind of don't hoard Christmas gifts. So I'll look through and see what's a keeper, what's I'm going to pass along, and all of those things, and get things in their place of where they're going to be in our space. I also got my hand vac out and I started vacuuming all through downstairs, getting all the glitter up, all the Christmas up. I typically don't do this, but during the holidays, it's a must because there's just so much little debris around. So I'm going to get that done this morning. friends, for me, changing over the products to the Miss Myers to the basil scented one was a motivator because the fresh scent just was fun to kind of, keep me going. And so I'm definitely going to put the link below. If you're not familiar with the Grove, what it is, it's a service where you get your cleaning products sent to you. All of those kind of non-toxic cleaning products that you love, and the Miss Myers and all the ones that we love, I'll link it below. Definitely check them out. I have been a customer for years. Many of you love this company, and so definitely check it out and get this free offer because it's only for 4 days. And this cleaning caddy is so cute. So many uses. I even have one by my bathtub along with the sponges here. I also was able to get my fireplace mantle back in place before leaving for work, so that was huge for me, so that when I walk in, I didn't have to kind of deal with that. Along with picking up that kind of spare wine left over from Christmas. My kitchen was clean, but the coffee bar area needed to be cleaned, so I kind of just wiped that down. And it really isn't just too deep of a cleaning. I just wanted it to get it back to semi-normal. And then I'll go through, and kind of this month I plan on going through my home and doing a lot more deep cleaning. And then I also went to the guest bathroom, and I was able to kind of get that cleaned up before going to work, which I was happy about. So my mission was, friends, to knock out as much as I could this morning so that when I came home, I wasn't having to look at a bunch of cleaning that I needed to do. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed joining me on my cleaning journey after Christmas today. Don't forget about the Miss Myers because it's only a limited 4 days, and I know how many of you wanted this cleaning bucket, and you get this set for free if you sign up with the Grove. So definitely a great offer, and you will love the service. And if you already have the service, let us know in the comments because that can help others who don't. They may have questions, and I can answer questions also. So I hope you all have a beautiful day, my friends. I'll see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.